old, serving as the high school area servant for the District of Lucena. So, konting background lang sa community life ko. Almost 3 years na ako sa community. And yung parents ko, Dan and Arlene Magtibay, have been in this community of CFC since 1988. So, I want to share how faith is a gift to me. So, tulad ninyo, nag-youth camp din ako. Tulad ninyo, na-experience ko rin na makinig sa 5 talk na meron nandun. And tulad ninyo, tumayo din ako nung baptism. So, ang saya ng youth camp, ganun. Marami akong na-meet na new friends, marami akong nakilalang mga bagong tao, mga ates and kuyas, na naging tunay na kaibigan sa akin. So, pagkatapos ng youth camp, nangyari, maraming iniisip, maraming ginagawa. Tulad na lang ng sa relationship. I was, at that time, still in an MU relationship with a girl. And yun yung nakapagpigil sa service. Nung time na yon, mas ginusto ko na makipag-inuman kasama yung mga kaibigan ko. Nung time na yon, mas gusto ko na mag-PC na lang, mag-Facebook na lang. Mas masaya naman mag-Facebook, mag-chat, mag-text, na yung ka-text mo, ka-MU mo, di ba? So, sa isip-isip ko nun, di na ako pupuntang assembly. Di na pupuntang household. And because of that, I became inactive for almost 2 years. But everything started to change when I was given the chance to go to the Live WYC last year. So ako naman, sabi ko, sige, road trip. Ang saya, di ba? Kasama yung friends mo, tapos wala sa bahay. Not knowing that this was the event that would change my life forever. Brothers and sisters, my life turned around 180 degrees. I experienced God's love in more ways than one, and in more ways than I can imagine. That was the time I was renewed, transformed, and changed to live a life for Christ. Meron isang event doon na nangyari nung second night. Ginawa pala nun, binigyan kami ng kandila. Ang sabi nila, sindin mo pag ready ka na mag-commit kay Lord. So nagdasal ako. Sabi ko, Lord, alam kong hindi magiging madali yung buhay na kasama ka. Lord, alam kong maraming pagsubok na kailangan harapin pag sinurrender ko yung sarili ko, pag nag-commit ako sa iyo. Pero sabi ko, Lord, pag nag-commit ako sa iyo, I will live the best life ever. And yun yung gusto ko. So nangyari, sinindi ko yung kandila. And I said yes. After that, things were never, ever the same. So many blessings poured into my life in all aspects of my life. Sa personal life ko, na-realize ko na mas kailangan kong unahin yung pagmamahal ko kay Lord. Na-realize ko na kailangan si Lord muna yung uunahin ko sa love life. And because of that, that led me to let go of the MU relationship that I had at that time. Brothers and sisters, sa pag-iinom ko, 1 year, it's been exactly 1 year since I've had my last taste of alcohol. And brothers and sisters, it wasn't easy. Sobrang hirap. Lalo na sa school ko, maraming party, maraming inuman. But sabi ko, Lord, a life with you is better than drinking. A life with you is happier than I could ever be. So tinigil ko yung pag-iinom ko. Sa service ko, sa studies ko, I graduated from Lasal, Zobel, as a 4th year high school student last March 22, 2013. And brothers and sisters, after I committed myself to the Lord during that WIC, naging 4th year ako. And first time na nangyari, nung high school ako, na naging first honor ako sa class. First time na nangyari na nung third term namin, na-exempt ako sa lahat ng subjects na meron ako. At hindi ako nag-exam nun. And now, sa studies ko, I've been accepted and I have confirmed my slot in the Ateneo de Manila University. And I'll be studying in Ateneo de Manila University this coming school year 2013-2014. Sa family ko, last September, my sister gave birth to a bouncing baby boy. Mas masaya na yung pamilya namin, mas malaki, at na-experience namin yung tunay na buhay and yung tunay na ligaya kasama yung pamilya mo. And lahat ng family ko na nasa community is actively serving the Lord. Parents ko, nagsaserve as provincial area servant for the District of Lucena. Kapatid ko, si Migs, is serving as the district servant, YFL district servant of Lucena. And ako, I was given the opportunity and the privilege to become the high school area servant for the District of Lucena. And I said yes. I said yes to missions. I said yes to assemblies, to household, and to trainings that would help me sa service ko. I said yes to so many things and to a life in service for the Lord. I never imagined that the things I couldn't do before, I could be doing now, and I am doing now. Life with the Lord wasn't easy. Every day, there's a challenge to say yes to the Lord. Every day, there's a challenge to respond to His call, to give your life, to give your all to Him. But my response was always yes. This life that I'm living, this faith given to me during baptism, reintroduced to me during my youth camp, and made even more real to me during that WIC. This faith is now my life. And I wouldn't trade anything in this world for that. Tunay yung sinasabi sa community natin that when you live your life in faith, you'll be living the best life ever. And brothers and sisters, I stand before you as a living witness. If you live this life, your life in faith, you experience a life like no other. Brothers and sisters, I'm Paulo Magtibay. And for everything I've said, may God be praised.